What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back for me. It's been about 40, 50 days since I posted a video. So I thought I should just do a little update thing. God dang. Oh, blown right out. It has been a minute since I posted a video, and I have some reasons for that. I didn't go missing or anything like that. Currently trying to redo the shed over to get ready for winter time. Big upgrades were needed. I mean, you could poke your finger through a couple of the walls. I had one of the walls of the shed kicking away off the foundation, so we jacked that whole side up and we swung the wall back in and shored it up a little bit better. Got it back on the foundation. And here, this is all old mouse infested fiberglass insulation. We're pulling all that stuff down. We're sealing up the holes. I had some problems with the sill on a bunch of the shops, so we cut those away and put new ones in, and we're reframing the doors so they hold a little more heat in. And I got to figure out something to do to the attic to keep the heat in the attic. I pulled all the walls down, re-insulating the whole entire thing, and hang some of this galvanized steel up so that it's more ready for the winter time, because it gets freezing in here and I want to be able to work through the winter on all the projects we have. So I've been in the kind of the middle of renovations. I had to rebuild a new set of stairs up to the attic because the old ones just were an absolute mess. There was no way that they were going to last. So I had to, well, I'll show you what I got going on. Climbing over stuff and projects. Put in a brand new set of stairs up to the attic. Kind of just trimming everything out right now and getting everything all set, putting some new pillars in, putting some new pillars to hold the second story up. I mean, I got a mess. This is my shop. This is my shop right here. It is just a whole mess of everything that we pulled off the walls. It had nowhere to go. So this is what I got going on. Just an absolute mess. We got projects on projects. There's a sled back there we got to get ready for the winter time. I got a bunch of mini bikes I got to fix up. We actually picked up a new project. Another little Baja 200, Baja Warrior, whatever they were in your country. So hopefully we'll go from this to something like that. So that's the plan with that one. Another reason I haven't been making videos is probably because you can kind of see from the brutal glare we got going on. I'm just using my phone and phone cameras and being close to plasma cutters and welders and grinding sparks. They don't really go the best together. And I have destroyed the lens on my phone. So, I mean, that's one of the reasons I'm filming off the front-facing camera right now. Is just because if I were to switch to the back, you'd probably get a big old blur. So we're gonna sign. Yeah. Say sorry if you've been sitting and waiting for a video. It's life. I can only go so fast. I got an actual job and I got 2 young kids that I gotta take care of, but it is what it is. So we will be putting out videos. I still got to do all the electrical on the tub. We still gotta get the kids side by side going. We got another mini bike that we're going to be doing. And I got to do all the end of year stuff. I got a sailboat that I got to winterize. I got the property that I got to winterize. I got pigs and a barn that I got to get ready for the winter time. So yeah, I've been trying. I've been trying to do as what I can with what time I have, but I don't really have a lot of time these days. So, I mean, you can see the absolute state of the shop right now. It is just, I mean, cables hanging from the ceiling. I got shit everywhere. Kind of looking better. It's feeling a little bit warmer. I mean, we actually have 3/4 of the walls up, I think. I like to say 3/4 of the walls. I got to replace some insulation in some spots. But other than that, this is what I've been up to. But we have been filming new videos, and we will be releasing a new video in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for that. thank you for staying along. Thank you for waiting and being so patient on our little bit of a hiatus that we're on. But we are coming back. I promise you we're coming back, and we got some good content for you guys. So stay tuned. See you later.